Welcome back to the channel, Trading Simplified. We are looking at the Gemini crypto portfolio. It appears I am down 71% in my crypto portfolio. Stay tuned. Let me clarify this. I have decided to stake a part of my portfolio into Solana and Ethereum. So let's get into what staking is, and then we'll break down the details for you. So I staked Ethereum and Solana using proof of stake. What this means is that instead of miners like Bitcoin, the network is secured by validators who lock up the crypto, they validate the transactions, and then I earn rewards. Now, Gemini does take a percentage. We will get into that. A common question investors have about crypto is, when does staking make sense for you? It has to really base on your investing style. So since I'm holding this ETH and Solana long term, I have a long-term conviction. I am okay not actively day trading it. That means that when I stake it, I have to hold it for a certain period of time. So it doesn't make sense to stake if you want flexibility to exit your position fast, if you're day trading this, or you expect high volatility. Although we are definitely in a high volatility time during this, but I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into ETH and SOL. Here's a quick comparison for the yield. For ETH, I earn anywhere from 3 to 5%, and Solana 5 to 8% in between there. It can vary as we go. Now remember, the volatility is pretty high when it comes to Solana compared to ETH, so that's something you have to be aware of. But when it comes to the lockup period, Ethereum varies. It's about 45 days right now versus Solana is only a week. So your risk level is a little bit higher if you were trying to day trade it. When you stake within Gemini, the platform, you click stake right on top. It'll show your staking balance, which currently is $4,153, and that is diversified through Solana and Ethereum. And you click on this arrow here, and you will see that it shows you how many. Right now, I am staking 6 of Solana and currently earning APR of up to 6%, which is variable, and nothing is guaranteed. We have to wait the 30 days to see, so we'll give that some time. If we go back on Ethereum, you will see that I am earning up to 3% APR on this, so we will continue to follow this as we go. But it shows you your exact amount that you are staking. I can't thank you guys enough for watching the video. I appreciate it. The portfolio was reaching a height of around $13,000. Then we had the pullback in crypto, and then we started to stake Ethereum and Solana. So we will be earning some interest on that, which will be nice. And we will continue to dollar cost average and keep you updated on this crypto portfolio. If you are new to this channel, this is it on YouTube, Trading Simplified. Be sure to check out the videos each week. We have our members that are supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. Definitely be sure to check out the store if you want to buy some merch. And then also go through the playlist, and you will get all different playlists, including your guide to becoming a better trader, the ultimate guide to index funds and ETFs. We have the Robinhood platform on here, my live pre-market analysis, my day trading P&L 2025, where I've made over $100,000. And then you have the members only playlist if you want to support the channel. There's much to go through here. Definitely be sure to check out the posts and the membership tab as well when you become a member. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel, and I'll see you next time.